I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials, subscription, resource group, and a storage account in the same region. Next, pick a runtime and hosting plan that fit workload needs because performance and cost depend on that choice. Once selected, create the function app from the portal or run the Azure CLI commands. For example, as group create then as function app create. Make sure to enable application insights if you want built-in telemetry, and confirm identity and networking basics before moving on. You'll develop and test locally using Function's core tools or the VS Code extension so you catch issues early. Once code is stable, configure app settings and connection strings in the Function app settings. These replace local environment variables and secure secrets. Then pick a deployment flow. Zip deploy for CI artifacts, Git/GitHub actions for automated pipelines, or direct VS Code push for quick iterations. Make sure to enable the correct runtime version and set the function timeout and scaling settings as needed. You deploy and then validate behavior. Hit the endpoint, run a test invocation, and watch logs. Use application insights and live metrics to spot latency, failures, or cold starts. Once done, tune scaling or switch plan. Make sure deployment slots or staging environments are used for safer releases. If something fails, first check app settings, the storage account connection string, and function keys because misconfigured settings are the usual culprit. Restart the function app after applying fixes to ensure changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.